estoy aquí en Garzones con mi familia de Mendes. So I'm here in Garzones, and this is my family, Arturo and his wife, Elliot, and some of their kids. We have Paco and Raquel.
Betsa, ¿dónde está?
¿Dónde está Betsa?
Betsa, ven.
No sé.
Ven, córrele.
Ah, she's coming! Oh, she had to fix her hair. Is this Betsa? Say hola!
Hola.
Hola.
Pero mira la cámara igual.
The first time I came, I stayed here with Grandpa and Hannah, and now I'm here with my dad. And he's actually filming, so you don't get to see him right now. Lived in Wisconsin first. He graduated high school in Wisconsin. Can you tell my friends and family in Wisconsin, do you remember me when I was little?
Yes.
And what was I like?
Well,
Quiet.
I was a quiet girl, but probably only 5 years old.
Like his daughter now. Yep, and then when I came the last time, it was 9 years ago. I was still quiet.
Nah, not more, but at least you tried to speak some Spanish.
I tried. I still don't try very well. Yo necesito tratar. ¿Sí? ¿Tratar?
Más.
More. Más. Porque su esposa, Elvia, no habla en inglés. No mucho. Pero entiende. ¿Sí?
Un poco.
She understands me a little bit, but not a lot. So I'm going to try to speak in Spanish.
For all the members of the family, they are welcome anytime they wish, or they are welcome.
This is the best place to stay. Beautiful, and this is where Grandpa grew up, well, close by. So we get to go see it, and yeah, so it's the best hotel. It's the Hotel Mendes. Everybody's welcome in the family, so you should come visit too. So that's it.
A todos saludos.
Yeah.
Saludos a Betty, a toda la familia. Y los queremos mucho, y el día que gusten venir, aquí los vamos a recibir con mucho gusto.